What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top-secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive breakfast?
You're serious? Just like that?
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
Well, all right. How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Bobstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Hey, is Popstar around?
What would a nice-looking boy like you want with my boyfriend?
You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
But what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Who the hell are you?
What the?
I'm the god of unpaid debts. Popstar prayed real hard this morning. Time for you fuckers to pay up.
喂，大佬冇啊！哇，咩事啊？
Who the fuck is this?
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess son on you will take on anyone these days.
Who's that?
Feng Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two! Come over here!
Let's go!
Stop! Under arrest!
You've got nowhere to run! 好對，信心放喺頭上面。開槍！開槍！自首，舉國減刑啊！你啊！自首，舉國減刑啊！再有無謂嘅掙扎啦！係啊！再走，我開槍啊！係啊！我點會被捕啊？喂，有槍揼你啊！ 差人，快走啊！再走，開槍啊！
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
I got enough to bust Popstar. But I also met a supplier. Guy named Fang Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
貨喺你度嘛？Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.